Sound check, please.
Sir Bob, magandang araw po sa inyo lahat, magandang aga, and of course, welcome dito sa Bicol. Nabilisan lang ang oras po natin, bilisan lang po natin ang naging takbo ng ating campaign sa Legazpi City, of course, dito sa endpoint natin sa about first half. Opo, so, pinakita natin, Mayor Wendy, kumusta po ang naging pakikita po natin, of course, welcome po natin sa ating senatorial candidate.
Yeah, good morning everyone. I'm Benji Rosal. I'm the one running for City Mayor. Of course, this is my first time to run for public office. I'm the brother of Governor Noel E. Rosal. Siyempre, ako nagpapasalamat for allowing us to host this activity today and welcoming all the candidates of PDP Laban and also the staff. Salamat sa inyong pagpaunlak. And also, of course, this time, alam ko na medyo mainit yung panahon, but of course, we are so productive in going to the market, shaking hands, and giving our intentions and platforms sa mga taga-Tabaco City. But it would be best siguro that from your end right now, we can learn from you and hear from you your intentions and concrete platforms in our national government, being the candidate for our senators. So, of course, we show our support together with our councilors right now here with us. Thank you for your time. And we hope that this will be a productive one while eating our lunch. Thank you very much and good morning. Of course, I believe in the principles of PDP Laban. Before I take oath to be part of PDP, I already know, alam ko yung kanilang paninindigan. I know the principles behind their platforms. So that's why I'm confident of this party where I am into. From the very start of paglagay ng PDP up to now, they believe in consultative, participative democracy in governing our land. So isa sa mga haligi ng ating panggogobyerno ay dapat may demokrasya and participatory ang government. And all else will follow. Pag malakas ang ating pananalig sa Diyos, meron tayong malakas na panggogobyerno, ang partisipasyon ng tao ang ating pinakikinggan, and also their welfare, I believe that we will move forward and aim for higher purpose in our life, even for our society. Kaya ako na niniwala na ang PDP Laban may help us move forward for a better future for the Philippines. Thank you very much. Yeah, I think people are aware of what's happening right now, and their sympathy, of course, for the Duterte is there. And more than ever, good governance should prevail. Justice should prevail. So I think people are already knowledgeable of where we are right now. Kaya alam ko na people will decide according to their conscience. And ito po ay tinatawag na pilihan. So talagang ang mga tao ay pipili ng nararapat para sa kanilang bayan.